What's up, everybody? I'm finna show y'all a little trick. See them posts, the green T-posts? I need to get some of them out the ground. I'm gonna show you this little trick I use to get them up out the ground. It's just stubborn, boy. Pissing me off. Making me look bad on the camera, man. Goddamn. Told you, man. See how the stead do me? Make me look bad on the camera, man. I get to make a video and it made me look bad. It usually take 5 minutes. That took 12 minutes. But that's how I get it. Why it took so long, it's a flat piece. That's usually right here, it's about that wide. It got hung up in some rocks. But see it, that whole piece came off. That's why it took so long. Anyway, gotta reuse the material. Usually it ain't that hard, but that's how I get them out the ground. So I gotta know, this is what I mean. See that? See that flat piece? That's what got hung up on that last one. That's why it took so long. See, this one took 3 minutes to get out. That one took 12, but that's what came off. All right. That's how it's done, Jack. Reuse material, save you a whole lot of money. All right. Catch y'all on the next one.